All right, hi guys. All right, so look, I'm doing my own videos this week. Let's see how this goes, and if you guys don't like them, make sure you let me know. So on Friday we did a Desmos, and what we were doing is finding the vertex of a quadratic when it's in vertex form. So here's the equation for vertex form. I did this again. I'm terrible at this. Okay, here we go. There's the equation for vertex form. Y equals a parentheses x minus h squared plus k. So my vertex, though, is h comma k. All right. So look at the first one. What's the vertex of the first one? H is going to be the opposite of whatever's in the parentheses. So instead of minus 7, it's going to be positive 7. And then my k is going to be negative 1. All right. That one's not bad. Let's look at the number 3, and then I'm going to let you guys do the rest on your own. So in this one, h is the opposite of what's in parentheses. So instead of minus 3, it's going to be positive 3. And my k is 0. All right. So I found the vertex of these two. You guys keep going on the worksheet that I've attached in Google Classroom. Why don't you guys work on that? So moving on, let's talk about graphing. So do we know the vertex of, let's look at number 2. I'm going to let you guys do number 1. Let's look at this vertex. Vertex. Opposite of positive 7, negative 7. And then my k is whatever comes after, and I wrote k. K is whatever comes after, so k is going to be positive 8. There we go. Axis of symmetry. X equals negative 7. Ooh, kind of messy because my graph goes by 2s, but that's all right. So 2, 4, 6, 7. So here's 7, so I'm going to do negative 7, negative 8, which is going to put me back right about, okay, there we go. So my axis of symmetry going right down the middle, and I'm going to draw it right in. Okay. So my vertex, we said, was negative 7, negative 8, right there. It's hard to make points on this, but okay. So y-intercept. Let's substitute in what? What do we substitute in to find the y-intercept? X is always what when you're on the y-axis? Yeah, good. 0. So y equals negative 1/3, 0 plus 7 squared plus 8. Let's see how much of this we can do without having to write it all out. What's 0 plus 7? 7, yeah. So y equals negative 1/3 times 7 squared plus 8. 7 squared is 49. Y equals negative 1/3 times 49 plus 8. Let's see, 1/3 of 49, negative 49 over 3 plus 8. Oh, okay, what's that? Oh, 8 would be 24 over 3. Let's do that. Let's do 24 over 3. Yeah, that'd be better. Okay, so then 49, thinking about adding and subtracting integers. I don't like that I just did that. Let's fix that. 49 minus 24. I like this eraser feature. That's good. That helps me. Anyway, it's 25. But it's negative 25 because 49 is negative. So what's negative 25 divided by 3? Let's see. 24 divided by 3 is 8. So 1 left over is negative 8 1/3. So my x-intercept is 0, comma, negative 8 1/3. Okay. So let's see, 0, negative 8 1/3 is, right about there. Okay, so if that's 7 away, then 14, right? 14, negative 8 1/3 is going to be another point. So 10, 12, 14, negative 8 1/3 is kind of like there. Yeah, that's about right. So there's an additional point. I'm going to do those in a different color. My additional points are going to be negative 14, comma, negative 8 1/3. There's 1. How can we find another one? Let's see. How about negative 1? Let's substitute in negative 1. I'm going to do that off the paper. So let's see. Y equals negative 1/3, parentheses, negative 1 plus 7 squared plus 8. What's negative 1 plus 7? 6. Yeah. So y equals negative 1/3, parentheses 6 squared plus 8. Square 6, we get 36. What's negative 1/3 of 36? Negative 1/3 times 36, or 36 divided by 3? Negative 12. So we get y equals negative 12 plus 8. Okay, great. Y equals negative 4. So another coordinate point on this graph is negative 1, negative 4. Okay. Negative 1, negative 4, 2, 4. Oh, boy, look at that. There we go. So where else would be another one? Let's see. So negative 1 is how far away from negative 7? It's 6 away. So then I'm going to add 6 to 7. I get negative 13. So negative 13, 4. So negative 13, comma 4 is even another additional point. So my additional points are in green. So negative 13, negative 4 is about there. So there we go. Oh, that makes sense. That's it. So there we go. We've graphed quadratic equations in vertex form. I'm going to let you guys do all the rest of them, all right? Good luck with that. Do the worksheet that's online on Google Classroom, and please make sure you hit submit, all right? And email me anytime, and we could also do a video chat on this tomorrow if you guys would like to. We'll talk to you soon.